Hey guys, welcome to day three of our daily vlog series. We were out here in Kroger doing some last minute shopping for my stepdad's 50th birthday party. So we'll catch you guys later. Hey, what's up guys? We are here today just chilling. We're at Chance's house and we're watching Kill Bill. So that's Pikachu and we'll catch you guys later.
Hey Tommy!
That's Tommy. Tommy, say hi to the fans.
That was so lit. Alright guys, getting unlocked the Hunger now. That was dope.
Hey, you guys.
See, now I've never touched a gun in my life actually. So,
These are some dope earbuds.
Dude, check this out. This is my favorite sound.
This is for kids.
Those are cool earbuds. Those are my favorite pair of Bluetooth headsets. Don't break them. Oh, I got fucking Excalibur, Secret of Mine now.
Chance, I feel like there's a lot of cool shit back here.
You got the shit. Is this real? Is it all there?
200 grams, Mike.
These don't look like 200 grams to me. These no. I'll let my brains out. Bang back.
Stop. Like, this is getting into my private life.
The other day I
your
looked up-
vlogging has really like affected me as a person. Like,
Alright guys, so Chance has ordered a dog off of Amazon and it should be here any minute now. And we're about to open it.
And I guess we're gonna box it. Like the description just said dog, and it said like we'll send you a random dog, and they have like one day.
$10.
They have like one day. No, it was $2.50.
but like $2.50.
Yeah, sure. And they have like one day shipping now. So I can feel it moving around in there. Can you feel it in there?
I mean, I think I heard something.
But the weird thing, it came in a Target box, so I don't really know what to think here.
It's like already kind of.
guess
maybe
we're
just
just
with
gonna-
ventilation. That's what I'm thinking.
I'm guessing she's been in here for like good 4 days. So they had like 2 days for like packaging and stuff, and then they send it out to you the next day. So we're just gonna
Oh yeah, but they say that they feed the dog a lot. Like
We're just gonna go for it. So I'm gonna pick up the camera here so you guys can get a better shot. So I heard it. They taped it really lightly, so.
So we're
It's for
unboxing
ventilation
this
for
dog.
He or she, the dog, will probably breathe in there. Hopefully, I hope so.
Holy crap!
That is a cute dog.
There is a dog.
Don't touch it. She might have rabies. They just put her in here with newspaper, I guess. Is she nice?
A little squirmish. There's a tag on here.
What does it say?
It says Pikachu, like the Pokemon, dude.
Hey guys, so my friend over here, Tommy, what's your YouTube channel?
Tommy
Go hit him up with a subscription. The link for that will be in the description down below. Where's she at? There's Savannah, and there's the dog Chance Unboxed. Just got him from Amazon. And Chance's YouTube will be in the description down below as well. So we'll catch you guys later.